Hello everyone, this is Old Soldier. Pocket chainsaws, are they worth it? And by are they worth it, what I'm talking about is, are they an effective tool? Do they do their job? Is it well made? Is it durable? And is it worth your hard-earned money? Here's my experience. I have had this pocket chainsaw for over 20 years and used it extensively on hunting, fishing, camping, and hiking trips. The chain length on this model is 25.5 inches with cloth handles. There are other sizes out there available as well, 36 inches and 48 inches, but for my needs, 25.5 has worked fine. This particular model is called the Chainmate. It is made by Green Mountain Products, and I have nothing but good things to say about it. When I bought this, they were not widely available. They were kind of an exclusive market, but now they are available pretty much everywhere. You can buy them in Walmart and Home Depot. Flexible, lightweight, and compact, and unlike wire saws, they are durable. They are bidirectional in use, which means it is used back and forth in a sawing motion. It folds up neatly, and this model folds into a 4.5 by 5 inch pouch that you can put on your belt, and the weight is just a few ounces. One of the other things that I like, the finish on it is rust resistant, and I very infrequently just lubricate it with a few drops of chain oil. As stated, chain length is about 25.5 inches. This thing tears through limbs, and it doesn't bind, and it's actually fairly easy to use. Well, hardly scientific, but that just gives you an example. But yeah, it does do a pretty good job. It's pretty efficient, and I would just be able to make a small pile of firewood, and that was just 3-4 minutes work. So it could be used to clear brush or make firewood, whatever camp tasks that you need to accomplish. So yeah, in Old Soldier's opinion, pocket chainsaws, are they worth it? Yes. This is Old Soldier out.